everyone. Well, many of you know who I am. But still, if you don't know, then I'll tell you I am Mazhar Mahmood from class 10th and I'm contesting election for the post of head boy. My symbol is lion of two different types. Lion representing leadership and the two types of lion representing positive and negative thinking that help us to balance in our life. Here, I kindly request you to vote for me for the lion. And at last, I would like to say that your vote is valuable. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Muhammad Aman from class 10th of Christ School Rajouri, and as you all know that the parliamentary elections are going to take place, and I believe that my character is very suitable for the prestigious post of head boy. And as I represent myself for this post, I bring with me the symbol of infinity quill, which represents boundless potential, endless creativity and perpetual growth. I aspire to embody these values, these qualities within the school community and within each and every student. And if I become the head boy of the school, I take the oath, I take the pledge to work effortlessly, to work tirelessly, to represent the students, to address the students. So let's go on a journey together of creativity and discovery and exploration, where there are endless possibilities and endless outcomes. Vote for Infinity Quill.
Hello everyone, myself Anayat Ali, and I'm standing here for the prestigious position of head boy. I'm determined to lead this whole academic year with diligence, vision and a vision for a better tomorrow. I promise that I will work tirelessly throughout this academic year, striving for a better tomorrow. Thanks a lot, have a wonderful day.
Hello everybody, I am Hasbia Fatima from Standard 10th, standing as a candidate for the position of head girl, with the symbol as a burning candle. Well, as you all know, a burning candle represents many things such as illumination, warmth and hope. I hope you will vote for the burning candle. So, let us vote for a leadership that not only talks the talk but also walks the walk. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Hello everybody. For those who don't know me, I'm Samiksha Sharma of class 10, standing for the prestigious post of head girl of session 2024 to 2025. If I become the head girl, I promise to solve your problems in academics, sports, co-curricular activities. If I become the head girl, then we all will work together and make ourselves and our school the best version possible. My symbol is medal. If you want to vote for me, please do cast your valuable votes for medal. Thank you.
Hello my dear lovely bubbly audience. I'm Tanvi Sharma from class 10th, standing as the nominee for the position of head girl. My symbol is mind. So from today onwards, I'm your mind. You have the opportunity to give me a chance to lead your school life smoothly. Each and every of my opponents are good in themselves, but you need someone who's good for everyone, who's good for everybody. So choose wisely, think wisely and choose the best for you all. What is wisely? Obviously the mind. So again, think wisely, choose wisely and choose the best for you all.
Hi everyone, I'm Sangeeta Thakur of class 10. I'm standing in front of you for the position of Culture Secretary. And our work of a Culture Secretary is that to lead the physical and cultural activities like singing, dancing, drawing or decoration. And like these activities are a part of my interest. So I feel that I could serve it better. I'm not saying that among my opponents I'm the best. And my symbol is eagle. Eagle is not just a normal bird. It is the king of all the birds and it is physically and mentally strong, faced every challenge in his life, and do vote for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As most of you know me, but those who don't, let me introduce myself. I am Parni Kaur from class 10, standing for the prestigious post for Culture Secretary. And my symbol is Iconic Golden Award, which is given to the one who is best in any cultural activities. I know that each one of us has their own hidden talents and they are best in it. So, if you think that I am eligible for the post of Culture Secretary, you can give vote to the symbol of Iconic Golden Award. Till then.
Hello everyone, I'm Kavya Sharma from class 10, standing in front of you for nominee for the position of Culture Secretary. As you all know, my symbol is a paintbrush and a color palette. which emphasize about the creativity and cultural appreciation. Now, why should you choose me? There are different reasons, like I have a deep passion and interest in different type of school activities, dancing, painting, artwork, etc. Now, if you think I am capable for this position, you vote for me. My symbol is a paintbrush and color palette. Thank you and have a good day.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to stand before you all today. Myself, Pratyush Sharma from class 10. I am nominated for the post of sports captain this year. My symbol is infinity, which is usually used to describe the concepts which are truly limitless. Well, if I get a chance to become the sports captain of Christ School Rajouri, I will make sure that everyone will get chance to participate in each and every activities. Vote for me, support me, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Krishna from class 10. I am here for the prestige position of the sports captain. If I get elected as a sports captain, I will make sure that everyone get equal chance in different competitions. So my symbol is Shawnish. It represents the winning spirit. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Keshav and I am here to humbly ask for your support and your vote in the upcoming school parliament election. My symbol is burning torch. It represents the power and strength. Imagine our school as a torch, blazing with flame of passion, determination and illuminating the path to success. As sports captain, I will work tirelessly to promote participation in sports at all levels, from the beginners to the sports, to the athletes. At last, I want to say that if you want to see a change, please vote for Burning Torch. Thank you.